Preview.
In this lesson, we will talk about HTML text. HTML provides various tags to format the text output. Generally, HTML provides a set of headings ranging from H1 to H6. In this lesson, we will see how to use those tags to format text the way we want. So let's open our text editor and start writing HTML. Here I have created the base of an HTML. It contains the HTML tag, head, title and body. Inside the body, I'm adding the heading tags ranging from H1 to H6. When I will save this file and run on browser, you will see how different headings are rendered by the browser. Also, I will show you how p tag or paragraphs are rendered by the browser and the difference between heading and paragraph. So it's done. Let's save this file and run it. Here you can see the output, and you can clearly see how H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Just look at the font size. H1 is having the largest font size, whereas H2 is the smallest one. Now let's add some text formatting tags like B, which will convert your text to bold, and I for italic. There are few more like the U tag, which stands for underline, and the S tag, which is the strike through. So let's save this file and run it on our browser. Let's refresh it, and there you can see bold, italic, underlined and strike through all are rendered differently. So that's how text formatting tags in HTML works.